There's Preston fixing to fly the P-39 Airacobra from eFlite. It's Jim's plane. That's his nephew. Great nephew. It's his first time at the sticks with this one. He's been flying about a year. He's doing fabulous.
Pretty quick.
Yeah, keep it on the other side of the field. I do not want to go in the tree.
Okay.
Seriously. There you go. Keep it in close. You can go that way, but you got to make the turn before you hit the tree. Okay? You gonna follow me now? Yeah. Just keep it out of the tree.
Oh, it's pretty quick. Is that a low rate?
Low rate, yes sir.
Wow. I know you need high rate,
Keep it out of the trees.
Yeah.
There you go. You're doing good though. How you like it?
I like it.
Jim, I can already tell you with young reflexes that he's got, he does a tons better making a right-hand turn than I do.
Yeah. That was a safety violation. You can get kicked out of the club for that.
You're the only ones here.
Huh?
The left right hit you for a minute. Oh, it's going that way.
Did you hook safe up on this one, Jim?
No, I never did.
Uh-oh.
I can't get it to program in. You're right at 3 minutes. You're doing good. You're doing good. Slow her down some. You don't have to.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot.
But Jim, he's got all them electrons he's got to get rid of.
Yeah, I guess. He flies a lot faster than I do. He'd do good at jets. Oh, you're taping this?
Yeah. We'll have to edit out some of it.
Okay.
That was beautiful.
And you want a Mustang?
I think he wants a P-39 Airacobra, it looks like.
Yeah.
He wants to get a Corsair. A Dana Corsair.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can tell you the eFlite Corsair is a great plane.
Yeah.
Lands beautiful, takes off good.
Got a couple minutes left.
Okay. I'd think about coming in.
Okay. Yeah.
No, you probably still got a minute to go. You follow me on that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you still got plenty of time. But yeah, you hadn't flown it before, so you need to try to figure a couple approaches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Get the gear down. You're going to try to approach from there. Just don't get over the trees. Okay?
I'm going left to right. So.
Okay. Dave and I have seen up those trees that last us both a lifetime.
Yeah.
It's not a good place to visit over there.
Besides that, Jim said he's out of Lipitor and Plavix and all his other heart medicines.
Okay, bring it back. We're way up here now.
Oh, you're good.
You're doing good, dude.
Perfect. Look at that, like a boss. Nice job, Preston.
Yeah, you might want to edit me out and get my exercise.
Okay, throws off.
Okay.
That's fun.
So of everything you've flown so far, which one you like best?
I like the super easy because it's like really,
Right.
I just like it a lot. But yeah. And this one flies really nice.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I agree with you on the Super EZ though. If you told me I could only have one plane and that's all I could have,
Yeah,
Super
me too.
EZ's it.
It's so convenient. Also, it lives in